Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this stunning Range Rover Autobiography, which is a 4.4 V8 in Indus Silver. This is an approved used vehicle, therefore has a minimum of 12 months approved warranty and 24/7 roadside assistance. This car's previously had one owner and is next due for a service in July 2022. So if we take a look closer at the car, you have pixel LED headlights with signature daytime running lights, 22-inch diamond turned finish alloys, giving the car a real luxury exterior. And taking a look in the back of the vehicle, you have executive rear class seating, ensuring everyone has a luxury journey, along with an electric armrest in the middle. The seats in the back can also be electrically adjusted, and you have memory seats if there's several people in and out of the car. You also have a powered tailgate, which is useful if you've got your hands full. As you can see, you do have plenty of space there in the boot, which is great for bigger items such as golf clubs and pushchairs, along with a parcel shelf, keeping your personal items more secure. And you do also have a full-size spare wheel, which is always handy in case of any accidents. You can shut the boot using the button on your key, or this one here. And going into the car, again you have memory seats, a Meridian sound system for better quality sound, illuminated autobiography tread plates, and a lovely ebony and ivory leather interior, making the car easy to clean. You also have a sliding panoramic roof, which is great for a nice sunny day to open or for some fresh air. A multifunctional steering wheel. As you can see, you can change the layout, view your settings and your vehicle information. You also have cruise control and a speed limiter, along with a heated steering wheel, which is definitely a must in the winter. 10-inch touchscreen with different functions, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with timed climate, so you can set the temperature before even getting in the car. Heated and cooled front seats, ideal for winter and summer. And these front seats are also massage, with several different settings to choose from, ensuring every journey is relaxing. You do also have a cooler compartment, which is great if you're ever going on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cold. And stepping back outside the vehicle, that was a stunning Autobiography in Indus Silver. If you're interested in this stunning car, please call Stafford Land Rover on 01785 899 446. Thank you.